Say hi, Mom. Say hi.
Hi.
Got this old room back here.
Where's your phone?
We're gonna bring up Mom's laundry, washing machine, stack it, put new flooring down. Here's a void that goes under the stairs.
Craig said my phone was ringing. Jesse said no, it was ringing.
See the old where the steps were. So we had a room to utilize. So we got, just our washer box here. Got the 2-inch drain tube coming up. We got a trap. We did more than 18 inches. We went 2 feet, trapped it back. We got a pretty good run distance-wise here, and then it's going down to the basement to tie in to the sewer line. And then because it's so far away from any vent, we just got one of these little AAV valves on there, and it actually is up above. They don't need to be, but it's up above this washer box, so it's kind of neat. And you can see they got the the old wood drywall in here. It's all tongue and groove that we cut out. But this will give a nice access, and we're actually going to run the stack dryer vent through the wall up here and bring it back through this little room and go out the side wall. And there's 2 reasons for that. One, we're too close to a window here, and right outside, you can't see, it's dark, but there is a air conditioning unit there. We don't want to blow the lint over top of that. So going back in here, an additional 5 or 6 feet up high will get it a good run. And then we got the stairs we can actually help brace that with. But I thought it turned out pretty good. So it's coming along. I still got to put here, I got to mount a 220 plug, a box for 220, and put the receptacle in there. And I'll just run the wire down and through the floor and hook it into the electric box. Woo, here we are down this old grungy basement. There's where we dropped it down. There's our PEX, hot and water, cold water lines coming down. And we just got them run. Oh, this is scary down here. Oh, look at this old basement. We got them run up to here. And we got just the hot water line coming out of our hot water heater here, and cold water line we tied in right there. So we just got our shark bite fittings. That worked out pretty well. Then we're finishing up. Here's our drain line coming across, and we just got a slip boot here. Need to readjust this, but we're going to tie in to the existing sewage line right here, this 3-inch line. Got some old dryer lint from their old dryer that was down here in the basement, and it wasn't properly vented. But yeah, we'll tie it right into the sewage like it's supposed to be. And it'll be all tidied up. All right, guys, back over here where this comes down through the floor. Wanted to show you what I seen. Oh, it's old camel cricket. Check this camel cricket out. Look. Check him out. He says, "What are you doing in my home? You're disturbing me. Turn this light off." You don't see those too often, so I had to show you guys them. Or him or her or it. Back upstairs. This washer box. These were also the quick connect shark bite fittings. So this is 1/2-inch PEX. And you just go with the PEX and a 1/2-inch. You gotta slip it up in there about 1 inch deep. So you always mark your line, make sure that you go adequate amount up in there. Make sure that's tight. And then I got my light on. It's hard to tell what's back in here. But this would be a great place to store some valuables. Who would ever think it's back there? There's an old hole right there. It's covered up. An old piece of tin or something. What went outside there? It's pretty interesting. And then once the washer and dryer's up here, functioning, you don't have to go down the old cruddy basement in about fall for, when you get older it gets tough too. This will be a lot nicer to have it up here. And then the next project is to get the floors in. I already got some glue on. I've been shoring up the boards in this room. And we'll just have to get everything leveled out and transition. We're going to do laminate in this old laundry area. Well, it will be Same thing in here in the little table area, and then into the kitchen. And then lastly will be the dining area. So hopefully we'll have this wrapped up pretty soon, but that's what I've been doing. But yeah, very good, guys. If you get to store all your precious metals back in there, that's more hidden than a safe. And then this will just have a, come over off this wood, cut in 1/4 inch around, and then just put some glue on or something and paint it and cover that piece. And you'll still have the ability to access this if ever need be. So that's what I've been doing. Just wanted to share in case somebody found it interesting. All right, we'll talk to you later.
Camo pants with the Air Johns. I'm so stylish. Don't ask me for my opinion. I don't want y'all to